Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step on how to create QR code for Google Form. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So welcome back to the video. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open a new browser. Then after you open a new browser, what you want to do is to go to this particular website right here, www.me/qrcode.com, then press enter key on your keyboard and it takes you to this particular web page, just like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here. Make sure you click on create QR code, just like so. It takes you right here. What you want to do is to simply scroll down, and then right here you have to make sure you look for Google Form. Okay, so then next thing you need to do is to simply click on few more types right here. Then you have your Google Form right here. So what you need to do is simply click on Google Forms. It takes you right here. Now this is where you need to enter your Google Form link. So you have to go back to your Google Form. So right here, this is a Google Form example that we want to use in this tutorial. Then for you to get this particular Google Form link, what you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top right here. Then you have to make sure you click on get pre-fill link. It's going to open up like so. Then you have to scroll down and then come down below right here, click on get link. It's as simple as that. Copy link. Next thing you want to do is to go back to the site. Then you have to come here, press Ctrl V on your keyboard just to paste the link. Okay, now having pasted the link, you can simply scroll down and see customize and download. Just click on that. And then in a few seconds, your link is fully ready. Okay, what you need to do next is to simply come here and design your link. If you don't like this particular interface of your link, you can scroll to the top and choose different style options. So pre-made template right here, you can start from pre-made frames, shapes and color. You can add your logo, you can add templates, etc. So we can change the style as the case may be. We can click on, you can use scan me, and when you are done with the design, you can simply scroll down and see some other things you want to add as the case may be. And we can change the name to Google Form. Google Form. So, and we can come here and change the font type. If we don't like the font type, we can simply use, let's see, Roboto, and the color is okay. We can simply scroll down. So right here, we can change the color to whatever color of our choice. So I'm going to try and see blue color right here. And I'm going to click on OK. So that is that. Then we can simply scroll down and we can work on some of the internal eye pattern and the external eye pattern. So we can change the external eye pattern to something like this. So the more you click and the more everything is updated into the design, you can see. And let's see the internal eye pattern. I think I'm okay with the style. So we can simply scroll down and we can change the background color. So I'm going to click on here and try and see blue color. I click on OK. I think I'm cool with that. Okay, we can simply scroll down. Then this is background for the QR code, which is transparent. We can leave it that way, and we can simply scroll down. So we can click on here to upload our logo. So when we click on here to upload the logo, it's going to be embedded into the QR code. We can scroll down and see more design that we can do with this particular stuff. So when you are done with all your design, you can come here and change the size to whatever size of your choice. So the maximum size here is 2000 by 2000 pixels. So I'm cool with the 1000 by 1000 pixels. Next thing we want to do after you are done with all the design, simply click on download QR code. Just like so. So your QR code has successfully downloaded. So we have it right here. So I can simply click on here and the QR code is going to open up. Just like so, we have our Google Form QR code. So anybody can scan this and start filling up the form. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to create QR code for your Google form. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.